Hi, this is Kim from Wheaton GM in Saskatchewan, and today we're going to quickly go over a couple of tips when your car is stuck in the snow. Number one, be prepared with the tools that you need. A shovel, some gloves, some sand or kitty litter, and if you need extra traction, use the rear floor mats from your car under the tire, or better yet, a couple of boards like this one, and you can even glue some sandpaper from the dollar store to one side for grip. Okay, number two, you've cleared out all the snow behind the front and rear tires. You've sprinkled down some sand for traction, and a couple of nice folks have stopped to help you push, but you're still not making any progress. So don't forget about your traction control button right here, okay? Your owner's guide will tell you exactly how to disengage it for the task at hand. And number three, if you're still stuck, it might be time to consider changing tires, but that's a conversation for another video.